EATV. Hello one and all, and welcome. The video today is about how to record off your iPhone screen, and the first, if you have ISO 11.3.1, that's the requirements that you need for this. First step is to hit the settings, then control center, then you will tap on customize controls, and then basically you've got two sections there. You've got include with the minus with the red, and then at the bottom you've got green with a plus. So you'll find screen recording in the green section. You press the green one, the green button, and it will jump into the red section, and that section will come under your control setting here on your phone, and it'll be right at the bottom.